What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today I have a sale to announce over at Banggood. They're doing their spring sale. It runs from the 24th of March to the 27th, and they actually sent me over a spreadsheet with everything on it. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick. So the spreadsheet here is all, I've actually sorted it all out and color-coded everything, so it's pretty easy to follow. I really did see some things here that on sale kind of caught my eye, like these HGO2s. They're for $515.99, so it's about, what, $75 off or so, because they're about $600 goggles. They have tons of little things here. They had, where did I see it? They had the Nazgul 5, 16707, so if you wanted to check out some of this stuff here, I went ahead and broke down everything down by pretty much color, and we have radio receivers, wings, RC quadcopters, bind and fly quads, parts, and this one actually stood out to me too, this first one right here. This Emax Eco 2207 1700 kVs for $41.38. You can get 4 of them for 41 bucks, so that's a really actually good deal if you wanted to pick those things up. Have all the codes here along with some of the, they have like a limited quantity of so many, so you'll know how many they have down there. These are affiliate links. They do help support the channel, help support me. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and just share this out with you guys. Banggood, I mean, they are actually pretty good. I know shipping is kind of picky with a lot of people. Some people say they never got their products or their customer service is terrible. But I haven't had anything but good experiences using them, ordering their products online. It does take, like, depending where you live, 2-3 weeks. DHL, if I notice, if you ship with DHL through Banggood, it actually does take a lot quicker. So consider that if you're thinking about getting something and wanting to use it right away. But that's really all I have. I'll be leaving a Google Drive link down below to this spreadsheet if you want to check it out. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.